Ghoul, thank you once again for tuning in.
Now I suppose you're wondering why I'm speaking through this thing. Well, it has a lot to do with what's in this box. Yes, I have for you today another
Unboxing video.
So let's get to it. Okay, so we got another HELLS Headbanger unboxing here. So let's check it out. Okay. Let's see what's in the box. Okay. Oh man, I hate it when they do this. Or I hate it when anybody does this. They fill up with a whole bunch of these packing peanuts. I fucking hate them. Anyways, let's get to it. So the first thing in the box is a t-shirt. Let's check it out. First, here's the back. You already know who it is. And there's the front. This is pretty fucking sick. Look at that. It's one of the newer Beharit shirts that just came out. And so on the sleeve, it's got that right there. If I can show you. Hang on. Let's see. What does it say? It says Beharit. No, it doesn't. It says... what the fuck does it say? archivethisrecords.com. Okay, so they're there. Check that out. Oh, the light's not great in here. But, there it is right there. Artwork from the album Beast of Beharit. Really nice shirt. Okay. So, what else is in the box? I guess you already know. So let's check it out. Okay, so I ordered these like about a month ago, but they were they weren't even released yet. So. With the common thing for HELLS Headbangers is they ship everything all at once. Like even if something's in stock and some other shit's not in stock, they'll ship it all together when these items do come in stock. So I waited about a month for this stuff. So it just came out. So the first thing I got was Electric Doom Synthesis by
Beharit.
So, and they included a couple stickers as usual. So I got the Hellhammer HELLS Headbangers stickers. I love this sticker. I love it. And what's this say? Denial of God. Not too familiar with the band, but pretty cool sticker. So Beharit's Electric Doom Synthesis. Synthesis. Sorry. So let's check it out. So we've got some classic black wax. And oh wow, that's quite interesting. So on the insert, it's got a chick, topless chick there. Never seen that picture before. And on the back, it's got a track listing and a little bit of a note there, a liner note there. It says, Beherit, the collection of tracks, 1995. The number of tracks, 8. And it says the duration, recorded in 95, by Holocaust, etc., etc. Yeah, it's got the track listing, so that's the insert. Well, this is quite interesting. Wow. Okay, so if you guys know this cover, you know it's a plain cover, but on the back, that's quite interesting. There we go. It's got the chick on there with the track listing. I would call this album just ritualistic black metal. You know, he stayed within the black metal vein, but very atmospheric and ritualistic, kind of like Black Funeral, what Black Funeral was doing for a bit. But yeah, I think this is probably the first time it's been released on LP, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong. But it's still licensed under Spine Farm Records from the old days. But yeah, so that's it. So the next one I got was, is there a proper way to pronounce this one? Well, we all know what the album is, okay? And we all know what the album is about. So let's check it out. So again, classic black wax. And there's the other side. And the insert is, well, it's not that great of a picture, but it's a picture of the topless chick again. Not sure what's up with that, but nothing special here with the insert, to be quite honest. So let's see what we've got here. So, oh, there we go. There's Nocturno Holocausto on the back. You can see with the track listing. There we go. And this is also a very dark, ritualistic album as well. Oozing atmosphere. It's just like, these albums you just want to like put on and just sit there and just listen. You know what I mean? With like a very extremely strong drink in hand at that. So the next one I got was classic. Like, this album by Beherit needs no introduction whatsoever. It's Drawing Down the Moon. There we go. Now these are all 110% official reissues. And so let's, whoa, this one's like really sealed up. Okay, so let me just open this one. Okay, and whoa, so classic black wax again, and let's have a look at the insert. So again, just a plain old insert. Beherit, track listings, credits, and the other side, what's the other side? It's just some lyrics, actually. Yeah, just lyrics. Yeah, The Gate of Nana, classic track. And yeah, so there's the back of the jacket right there. Classic album right here, very classic. I'm also looking for a copy of The Oath of Black Blood on LP, if anybody has a lead on it. It's very hard to find on any format, actually. I have the Digipack CD from years ago, and I've got a couple bootleg CDs that I've found over the years. But yeah, I'd like to find like a turbo release of the Oath. Very hard to get. Very, very hard to get. Maybe they'll do a really good reissue of it and make it available through HELLS Headbangers as well. That would be cool. I'll scoop that up. Seal that one back up. So finally, the last but not least, I got... how many of you guys remember this band right here? Thy Serpent from Finland. Okay. I remember hearing these guys on a black metal compilation cassette. This was back in the early mid-90s, I'm guessing right now, probably the mid-90s. And I was just blown away by these guys, man. The tracks I heard were the demo tracks off Frozen Memory, the Frozen Memory demo. I think it was called The Sky is Falling, and man, that that gave me goosebumps. I've got goosebumps even thinking about that track. And that's how I discovered Thy Serpent. And their shit's extremely hard to get. And I just stumbled across these guys, this release here on the HELLS Headbangers website. And I listened to it online. I was just blown away. This is quite a, I don't know if you want to call it a comeback album, or sorry, a comeback single, 7-incher, or whatever you want to call it. But it says here, recorded midsummer 2012 and 2018. Fucking amazing. It was like they never left. There's the insert. And that's the other side. And it's 2 tracks. And both tracks are absolute fucking killer. Here's the 7-incher on Classic Black. Right there. And yeah, I was really surprised to see anything by Thy Serpent. They don't have a crazy discography, but you know, there we go. Thy Serpent. Look them up. Check them out for another great Finnish black metal band from the old days. Didn't even know they were still together. But this release here just blew me away. Those 2 tracks were dark as fuck. But anyways, so yeah, that's the HELLS Headbangers order, my most recent HELLS Headbangers order. We got some Beherit and some Thy Serpent. And you know what? I didn't even think about it till now. Like, this was a Finnish black metal order. All the bands were from Finland, oddly enough. Yeah, quite interesting. So,
thank you for watching.